In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discord. Discord is a communication app that lets you chat through text, talk in real time through voice channels, and keep conversations organized inside servers, which are like individual communities. Once you understand the layout, it becomes much easier to use. Starting with the interface, look to the far left side of the screen. The vertical row of circular icons represents servers. Each server is its own space, and clicking one opens that community. After you select a server, you'll see a list of channels nearby. These channels are the different rooms inside that server. Text channels usually have a hashtag symbol, and voice channels are marked with a speaker icon. In the center of the screen is the chat area. This is where you can read messages, follow conversations, and type your own responses. On the right side, you'll usually see the member list, which shows who is currently online in that server. This can help you quickly see who's active and available. If you want to talk live, click any voice channel with the speaker icon to join instantly. Once you're connected, the controls at the bottom left become especially important. The microphone icon lets you mute or unmute yourself, which is useful anytime you need privacy or want to reduce background noise. The headphones icon deafens all incoming audio, so you won't hear anyone in the channel. And when you're ready to leave, click the disconnect button, which looks like a phone icon with an X. For private conversations, click the Discord logo at the top left to open your direct messages, also called DMs. From there, click Friends to view who's online, or add a new friend using their username. Inside a DM, you can also start a private voice call or video call using the call buttons at the top. Once you get familiar with these main areas, Discord becomes simple to navigate and very efficient for staying connected.